Welcome to our discussion about the delicious Jell-O no-bake cheesecake. Today, we will explore how you can enhance this delightful dessert with cream cheese add-ins for a protein boost. Jell-O no-bake cheesecake is a favorite for many people. It is easy to make and perfect for any occasion. The creamy texture and sweet flavor make it a crowd pleaser. But did you know that adding cream cheese can take this dessert to the next level? Cream cheese is a fantastic source of protein. By mixing it into your cheesecake, you can create a more balanced dessert. This is great news for those looking to increase their protein intake without sacrificing flavor. The process is simple. Start with your Jell-O no-bake cheesecake mix. Follow the instructions on the package. You will typically need milk and a crust, but here is where we add our twist. Before you combine the ingredients, take a block of cream cheese. Let it soften at room temperature. This makes it easier to mix smoothly. Once it is soft, beat it until it is creamy. You can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer for this step. Next, gradually add the cheesecake mix to the beaten cream cheese. This helps to incorporate the flavors together. You want to mix until everything is well combined. The result will be a rich and creamy mixture. Now, let's talk about flavor. You can add different ingredients to enhance the taste of your cheesecake. Consider adding some vanilla extract. This will give your cheesecake a lovely aroma. You can also add fruit. Fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries are great choices. They add a burst of flavor and a pop of color. Simply fold them into the mixture before pouring it into the crust. If you like chocolate, consider adding cocoa powder or melted chocolate. This will create a delicious chocolate cheesecake. The cream cheese will add richness to the chocolate flavor. Once you have your mixture ready, pour it into the prepared crust. You can use a store-bought graham cracker crust or make your own. If you choose to make your own, simply crush some graham crackers and mix them with melted butter. Spread the cheesecake mixture evenly over the crust. Then cover it and place it in the refrigerator. Let it chill for at least 4 hours. This will help it set properly. The waiting can be tough, but it will be worth it. After chilling, you can take your cheesecake out and serve it. You can add whipped cream on top for an extra treat. Remember, the best part about this dessert is its versatility. You can customize it according to your preferences. Use different flavors of Jell-O and various add-ins to create new combinations. This makes it a perfect dessert for gatherings or family dinners. You can impress your guests with your creativity. They will love the taste and appreciate the added protein from the cream cheese. In conclusion, Jell-O no-bake cheesecake is a simple and enjoyable dessert. By adding cream cheese, you enhance its nutritional value and flavor. It is a great way to enjoy a sweet treat while also getting some protein. We hope you feel inspired to try making your own version at home. It is sure to be a hit with friends and family. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe to get all future updates from us.